Welcome to our channel. Today we how to set up tax-friendly bookkeeping for e-commerce sellers on Shopify. Complete guide step by step clearly. Before you begin, ensure you have a registered Shopify store. Start by selecting a bookkeeping method suitable for your business. You can choose between cash basis and accrual basis accounting. Cash basis records income and expenses when they occur. Accrual basis records income and expenses when they are earned or incurred. Register for a tax identification number if you don't already have one. Next, select accounting software that integrates with Shopify. Popular options include QuickBooks, Xero, and Wave. Install the chosen software and follow the setup prompts. Import your Shopify sales data into the accounting software. Connect your bank accounts to keep track of transactions seamlessly. Set up product categories to organize your income and expenses. Separate your business and personal expenses for clearer bookkeeping. Create a spreadsheet or use software to track your inventory costs. Regularly update your records to ensure accuracy. Consider tracking sales tax based on your customers' locations. Check the sales tax regulations in the states you sell to. Set up automated sales tax calculations within Shopify. Establish a system for tracking receipts for all business expenses. Use apps that scan and save receipts for easy access. Schedule regular bookkeeping sessions, ideally weekly. Review your financial statements monthly to monitor performance. Identify tax deductions available for your e-commerce business. Common deductions include shipping costs, software subscriptions, and marketing expenses. Make sure to keep detailed records for each deduction claimed. As the tax season approaches, prepare necessary documents for tax filing. Consult a tax professional for guidance on e-commerce tax implications. Clearly understand your tax obligations in different jurisdictions. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.